morning, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday. It's been up to like 2 weeks. I haven't picked up this camera. All the videos you guys have been seeing me posting is actually videos that I made like weeks prior to that 2 weeks, because I didn't just feel like, I thought maybe if I had this camera then I want to be filming every time. You know, that's the stuff we like to tell ourselves, like once I get the camera, once I do this, you're going to see how I'll start filming. But I think, please get that rag and clean his wet. You're going to say, okay, once I get this, once I get that, I'm going to start filming, I'm going to be so consistent. But nope, I haven't been consistent and in filming, but I've been uploading, though I missed just one day of upload, and I wanted to start uploading my videos just on I want to start uploading just on Fridays, like once a week. But truthfully, yes, I might not be getting the kind of views I want for all my videos. I think now it's just one or two of my videos that are doing very well, and those are like videos that I did. The other one was my Indomie video, and the second one I doing well is also the video I did about shopping at Burukuri market. But as I said, I can't be going to the market to film every time, so that also made me not really have zeal to film. Like, do I have to go out to film? Do I have to go to the market for me to get video that people would love to watch? And it killed my spirit somehow. And yes, I was also a little bit busy. I was trying to juggle a lot of stuff together, and YouTube has to suffer for that. But I think I finally decided to come back and be consistent, because let's be honest, I want to grow on this platform. YouTube has been blessing me little by little, not too much, just small. It has really been helping my life. Small. That's helped me in terms of making me happy, in terms of also keep putting small stuff in my pocket. YouTube has been good. So what I'll do is I will continue filming. I'll continue uploading my normal 2 to 3 times a week. If I can't make it 3 times, I'll do 2 times. So today is Sunday here, and see what we have here. I have okazi, although I'm not using this thing to cook or anything. It's too bright. Let me go very far for a little bit far from the chandelier. So my husband went to the village yesterday and brought fresh okazi for me, which I'll be using to cook within the week. But yeah, today is Sunday. My plan is to make stew and rice as usual. But the thing is that I did not even buy anything for the stew and rice. Hopefully we have meat at home. We have what other stuff. We have some fresh tomatoes already boiled and steamed. We have literally most of the things I can use to cook at home, but I'll just want to add some fresh tomatoes. So I'll be running out now to get fresh tomatoes. I might take you guys with me this time. I'll be running out to get fresh tomatoes. Then when I come back, I'll make the stew and rice. So I'll just show you guys like everything, even with me cooking. It's nothing serious, just very simple and basic. But this is going to be a Sunday in the life, or in my life. That's what I'm going to title this video, and it's going to go up tomorrow on Tuesday, which is 2 days time. So yeah, let's get going. So I'll just grab my car keys, and I forgot to tell you guys, like I have my Wonder Ultimate Wonder Broom. I think that's what it's called, Wonder Broom. I don't know, but I got this stuff in the US for about $50 then. For now, I don't know how much it is now, but yeah, money. It's very good in terms of playing music. I use it with my Bluetooth. I connect it to my phone, and I just play music. And most of the times, I play a radio station in State College. I used to love their stuff. Let me try and see if it can play now. So yeah, so I play that radio station with it, or anything. I just use this Bluetooth for it to just keep me very happy and active. Okay guys, let's go. So I really don't know what I think I'll just get some carrots for garnishing. It's a little dark here. I'll get let me open this place. Okay, better. So I'll get carrots for garnishing. I'll also get I'm just laughing because what stop. So I'll get carrots for garnishing the rice. I'll also get fresh tomatoes. I'll get fresh pepper. I have some at home. I have some fresh tomatoes, as I said, steamed and dried, but I need fresh ones to slice. I also get fresh pepper because the one I have at home is not enough. Although I don't like putting too much pepper in my food because of my kids. Okay, we're back to the car. First thing first, guys, tomatoes is so expensive. Like, you could see that just for medium size tomatoes, like, you let me just show you guys, for instance, just for I think guys, I wanted just a little fresh tomatoes, right, for my stuff. I bought just something like this, like something as small as this was 500. Like, it was one for 100 naira, 100 naira. So how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They actually gave me this one as jara, this small one. So we have 500 naira fresh tomatoes, and I wanted to get carrots. I forgot that, so I have to go back and buy carrots. Okay guys, we're back home and I got everything I wanted. Just that I don't know what is going on in this country. Let me just say that. Guys, let me show you guys what I got. I know I showed you guys the tomatoes. One of this stuff, as small as this thing is, it's 100 naira. And this pepper, this is the spring onions. This is the green pepper I could get, and this one, as small as it is like this, is 200 naira. And I got like the stuff, another one, this 100 naira. These are the sizes for 100 naira. It is so small. I don't know what is going on in this country. I don't know where we're heading to. Fresh tomatoes, one seedling of tomatoes, like this, as small as this, 100 naira. It's really bad. Like, everything. The last time I was out was, I think, 2 weeks ago, and that was before my baby's christening and dedication. And yes, things were expensive, but it wasn't this bad. You guys should let me know down in the comment section if where you're living things are this expensive, or is it just my part of Port Harcourt, or my part of Nigeria, or my part of River State. Just let me know. Like, I wonder how people who don't even have like a job, or don't even have any good source of living or income, how they're able to cope with how expensive things are. But yeah, I'm back and I'm just about to boil the rice. They already helped me parboil the rice, so what is just left is to wash this meat. I'll be using goat meat, and I have my fresh tomatoes. This one's already stored in the freezer. I got fresh pepper, and you guys can see the rice is already washed and clean. So I'm just waiting for the water to boil, so I add the rice. So far, this is what we have going. Baby, talk to me when I say I love you, babe. So guys, this is the goat meat. You guys can see all these things are goat meat. I just added curry. As I said, I already added my ducros curry and ducros and thyme. These are the ones I tend to use. And I'm adding my stock cube now. And this one is the not cube. I like to, if I'm making stew, I like to use the chicken, but here I think we're using beef, this stuff, because the beef is not that much. Then my salt, I'll just pour, just sprinkle, just like so. And here I have my onion and fresh pepper mix. I already blend these two together, so I'll just pour everything in here. So I'll just shake it. Okay, so now I forgot I didn't add my Mivina. I'm going to add that here. I'm going to add that. Sometimes I like to go in with Benny. I always don't have this at home, but since I have it, let me just use it. I'll use I might not use one whole pack because I think it will be too much. I'll just keep some because it's quite, it's like stock cube. I already have stock cube here, so I don't want to use too much. And here we have our kitchen glory. Just trying to season it as much as possible to give the meat some flavor. So I'll use this spatula and I'll just mix everything together. So this is how our meat is looking. I'm going to put it on heat now. Now our meat is on the fire. I'm just going to cover it and let it steam or cook for like 20 or 15 minutes depending on how tough the goat meat is. So that is how I season my meat if I'm making stew. The rice is already on the fire. So here I added water to be, I wanted the water to be the same level as the rice. So the water and the rice, they are like on the same level. And here we have onion and a little bit of granite oil. I'm just waiting for it to boil. I don't know why this fire is so low. Like I'm just waiting for the rice to boil, and once it boils, then I'll bring it down and start making the stew while the meat stock is still on fire. So guys, I forgot to show you guys, like I have my ginger and garlic mix in here. So I used to blend it and put here and store it in the freezer. I forgot to show you guys, but I'll be adding a little bit of this too to the goat meat, like this.
I want to see the picture.
You want to see the picture? It's not a picture, it's a video.
Hello, my name is Ryan. Voila. Hello, my name is Isabella. Don't say that.
Hey guys, you guys look at baby Renee. Renee, say hi. Guess who is 5 months today? Renee is turning 5 today. Today is the 27th of June, and she's going to be 5. Oh, are you excited? Are you excited? Are you happy? You happy you're 5? Let me show you guys the Renee's outfit. Whoa, look at her bum bum. Look at baby Renee's bum bum. She's like, Mommy, stop it. I'm shy. You're not shy. You're not shy. Hey, you're not shy. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. You're not shy. She's shy. She's like, no, stop it. It's not funny. You're shy. Say hi. Renee, say hi. Say hi. Hi. So I want to show you guys how baby Renee is looking, and I'll show you guys after she has finished making her hair. She's about to go make her hair because she doesn't let me comb it, so we have to make her hair. So we'll stop combing it. You guys will see the after, okay? Okay, turn off. I like to use this stuff to turn my food because it helps it not to get burned. So this is what we're having here, and I might likely add a little bit more water because my husband doesn't like thick soup or stew. So yeah, I'll just add a little water, then I'll add this chicken what is it called, chicken stock here, not cube. This is the chicken one, and just a little bit salt, and I'm done. I forgot to show you guys the rice. It's actually ready. Let me show you how it's looking. So here's the rice. It's ready. So you guys can see, like I just garnished it with this. I'm done. So yeah, it's about 11:05. So this is going to be our brunch. It's going to be like brunch, breakfast / dinner. No, breakfast / lunch. Maybe I end the vlog. As I said, I'm trying to vlog the whole of today. So it's going to be like a Sunday in the live or in my life. So if there's anything eventful happening today, I'll definitely talk to you guys. But if not, then this might be the end of it. So yeah, let me go eat and catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm done eating. Sunday is like one of my very cool chillest days. Like, is there any word like that? Sunday is one of my best days, guys. I'm done with cooking. I've eaten. So I just helped my son with his homework. As you can see, he just finished his homework and they've gone to play, and I'm just here with my baby. Baby Renee is sleeping. I have time now. I have a little, wow, this thing is looking dark. Oh. So yeah, I have a little time for myself since I've settled everybody, they've eaten, they've done their homework. So I'm just going to relax, probably watch some YouTube videos, and we have a visitor in the building here. Just when I thought I'll have time for myself, but yeah, I'll just relax. And I don't sleep in the afternoon. I don't know if I've told you guys, but I hardly take a nap. That's my problem. So I can't sleep. So I don't want to tell you that I'll just go to bed now and sleep. No, because I'm not going to sleep. But I'll definitely let you guys know if anything happens again after now. But usually this is how my Sunday goes. After eating brunch, do their homework. If I haven't, then just relax. I just had my bath, chill out. But yeah, probably I'll talk to you guys if anything comes up before nighttime. But if nothing comes up, then I'll talk to you guys. I'll just definitely come back here and end the video. Yeah, because this is a typical Sunday in my life. Hey guys, so it's evening. It's about how many hours after the last time we spoke? I think it's about 6 hours from when we spoke. It's about, what time is it now? 6 or 7 p.m. So guys, basically this is a Sunday in my life. I told you guys I was just going to do like a Sunday in my life, and since then I've been busy with my computer watching YouTube videos, going on live like Oloria Shaw, one of my favorite YouTubers. She went on live. I was on live with her. So yeah, basically this is what I do every Sunday. So I just turned into this my night robe because I want to have my bath, sleep. I want to also bathe baby Renee. You can see her things here. So yeah, nothing much, nothing serious. So this is going to be like a day in my life, or a Sunday in my life. So yeah, if you guys enjoy like videos like this, I feel videos like this is easier for me to edit. So rather than making it 2 or 3 days vlog in one, I can just do 1 day vlog and upload. Even if it's not very long, I don't mind. So if you enjoy videos like this, let me know. So maybe next week I might do Saturday in my live, and I'll show you guys. Like Saturday is usually more busy, of course. Guys, it was fun hanging out with you guys today. Until I see you guys in my next video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the point. You have to subscribe, like, share, do all the good stuff. I love you guys so much, and thank you for always sticking with me. So much positivity around here. That is all I got for you. Love and positivity and light. Bye.